Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, dear aspirants, teachers, and students? I hope that you all are fine. Today's 10 words will start with Robin Williams' famous quote. No matter what people tell you, the words and ideas change the whole world. So let's start practice our 10 words of the day. And remember, practice makes a man perfect. Adage. ज़रबुल मिसल कहावत. Meaning in English, proverb, saying, maxim. An old adage is still true. Ad-lib. फिलबदी बगैर तैयारी के. Meaning in English, freely, impromptu, without preparation. Antonym, prepared. Sentence, he spoke ad-lib during the meeting. Ad infinitum, मुसलसल, हमेशा तक, लामुतनाही. English meaning, endlessly, forever, without end. Antonym, briefly. Sentence, they argued ad infinitum. Acute, गहरा, तेज, शदीद. Meaning in English, keen, sharp, intense. Antonym, dull. Sentence, he felt acute pain. Acumen, सूझबूझ, फरासत, सूझबूझ, फहमो फरासत, जहानत. Meaning in English, cleverness, sharpness, intelligence. Antonym, stupidity. Sentence, he has great business acumen. Actuate, तहरीक देना, अमल में लाना, मुतहर्रक करना. Meaning in English, trigger, motivate, stimulate. Antonym, discourage. Sentence, good ideas actuate progress. Acrimonious, सख्त, कड़वा, तल्ख. Meaning in English, bitter, harsh, hostile. Antonym, friendly. Sentence, they had an acrimonious debate. Acrid, जलन पैदा करने वाला, नागवार, तेज. Meaning in English, irritating, pungent, harsh. Antonym, pleasant. Sentence, acrid smoke filled the room. Acquittal, रिहाई, बरियत. Meaning in English, clearance, release, exoneration. Antonym, conviction. Sentence, the acquittal pleased his family. Acquit, आजाद करना, इल्जाम से आजाद करना, बरी करना. Meaning in English, clear, free, exonerate. Antonym, convict. Sentence, the court acquitted him. I hope that you will practice these words in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching and connecting with me.